Yes, I'm replacing a rotor on a 2000 F350, Ford F350. So first we have the all-purpose grease right here. We're gonna grease this part right here. We're gonna lubricate it. So everything will work fine and smooth. So that this thing right here will go on smoothly. Alright? That's a wheel bearing. See? So the next thing we are going to do now, we're going to put the seals on there. So we're going to slide it on like this. And then we're going to put the wheel bearing on there. This way. First we're gonna apply a little grease on it. So it slides on. You don't want to hear metal rubbing against each other, so you have to grease it properly. Next I'm going to grease the inside of the rotor so that it works smoothly while the wheel is spinning. The last thing you want is metal against metal. See? Okay, so now this is called the outer wheel bearing. We're gonna grease it too. Now this is the easy part. Now we're gonna put the bolt on to hold it. See? Now, first we're gonna put the washer on. pliers to tighten it. Once you get it on, it should be firm like this. Should be firm, no movement. So there go your installation of your rotor on an F350 Super Duty. Ford F350. Now we're gonna go to the caliper. Caliper, that's this part right here. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the caliper bracket. That's this thing. We're gonna replace this caliper bracket. It is right here. This is who we're gonna use. And the same thing for the bottom part. And we're good to go. Now we're gonna grease the brake pads before putting them on. You have to grease the back side of the brake pads. Never try to grease the front side. That's gonna reduce your stopping power. Or you might never be able to stop. Now that we have the brake pads on, we're gonna go with the caliper. That's this thing right here. Okay, so we need some more space in between. So we're gonna use a clamp to get this all the way in. And then it should just slide on. So we're gonna get a clamp. Okay, so now that it's all the way in, it should just slide on. Perfect. That's it. Use this. Tighten. Here we go. New calipers, new brake pads, new rotors. Now all we have to do now is put the wheel on and we're in business.